Welcome back to our awesome channel with your buddy, Opto Bot. Are you ready for a fantastic game today? It's called Guess the Odd Animal Out. There are 72 questions, and you get 7 seconds to answer each one. Think you can find the odd one with me, Opto Bot? We've got 3 fun levels. Can you make it to level 3 and guess them all? Let's dive in and have a blast. Hit that like button and subscribe for more fun games with me, Opto Bot. Can you guess the odd frog out? You got it! Well done! Can you guess this animal? A lion, B, a tiger, C, a kitten. A lion. Can you guess this animal? A raccoon, B, a mouse, C, a squirrel. C, a squirrel. Can you guess the odd pig out? That's correct! Can you guess this animal? A snail, B, a worm, C, a snake. C, a snake. Can you guess this animal? A iguana, B, a penguin, C, a turtle. B, a penguin. Let's see if you can guess this one. Can you guess the odd animal out? You got it! Well done! Can you guess this animal? A hawk, B, a spider, C, a giraffe. B, a spider. Can you guess which animal is the odd one out? Fantastic! You're right! Can you find the odd crab? You got it! Can you guess this animal? A shark, B, a bird, C, a fish. C, a fish. Can you guess this animal? A jellyfish, B, a dolphin, C, a shark. B, a dolphin. Can you spot the odd whale? Correct! Well done! Which animal doesn't belong? Can you spot it? Awesome! You're amazing! Can you guess this animal? A shark, B, a whale, C, a dolphin. B, a whale. Can you guess this animal? A ferret, B, a kitten, C, a hamster. B, a kitten. Which one is different? Can you guess? Perfect! Keep going! Look closely. Can you find the odd animal? Amazing! You did it! Can you guess this animal? A kangaroo, B, a fish, C, a frog. C, a frog. Which animal stands out? Can you guess? You got it! Well done! Can you guess this animal? A mouse, B, a puppy, C, a gorilla. A mouse. Can you guess this animal? A octopus, B, a stingray, C, a jellyfish. C, a jellyfish. Look closely. Can you find the odd animal? Amazing! You did it! Wow, you've completed level 1. Congrats! Which one is different? Can you guess? Awesome! You're amazing! Which animal stands out? Can you guess? Way to go! Spot on! Can you guess this animal? A bat, B, a butterfly, C, a dragonfly. B, a butterfly. Can you guess this animal? A lion, B, a jaguar, C, a tiger. A lion. lion. Look carefully. Which animal is the odd one out? Nice job! Spot on! Superstars, spot the odd animal. Can you find it? You got it! Well done! Can you guess this animal? A snake. B, a lizard. C, a mouse. B, a lizard. Can you guess this animal? A elephant. B, a bear. C, a tiger. A elephant. All right, superstars. Can you guess which animal is the odd one out? Awesome! You're amazing! Can you guess this animal? A mouse. B, a monkey. C, a sloth. C, a sloth. Which one is different? Superstars! Can you guess? You nailed it! Bravo! Can you guess this animal? A snail. B, a worm. C, a snake. B, a worm. Which animal doesn't belong? Can you spot it? Way to go! Spot on! Can you guess this animal? A zebra. B, a giraffe. C, a cow. B, a giraffe. Can you guess this animal? A horse. B, a raccoon. C, a dog. A horse. Superstars, spot the odd animal. Can you find it? Perfect! Keep going! Superstars, which animal stands out? Can you guess? You got it! Awesome! Look carefully, superstars. Which cow is the odd one out? Correct! Well done! Look carefully, superstars. Which tiger is the odd one out? Fantastic! You're right! Can you guess this animal? A panda. B, a gorilla. C, a monkey. B, a gorilla. Spot the odd animal. Can you find it? Nice job! Spot on! Can you tell which animal is the odd one? Exactly! Great work! Awesome job! You finished level 2. Keep it up. Let's see if you can get this one. Can you guess the odd animal out? Amazing! You did it! Can you guess this animal? A lizard. B, a kangaroo. C, a horse. B, a kangaroo. Can you tell which animal is the odd one? You got it! Well done! Can you find the one that stands out? You nailed it! Bravo! Which animal is different? Way to go! Spot on! Can you guess this animal? A kitten. B, a lion. C, a jaguar. C, a jaguar. Look closely! Which one is different? Amazing! You did it! Spot the animal that's different! You got it! Well done! Find the animal that's unlike the others! That's right! Great job! Can you guess this animal? A panda. B, a deer. C, a horse. B, a deer. Can you tell which animal is the odd one? Awesome! You're amazing! Find the animal that's unlike the other dogs. is not like the others? Yes, that's right. Can you guess this animal? A lobster. B, a spider. C, a crab. C, a crab. Superstars, which animal stands out? Can you guess? Perfect! Keep going! Which animal doesn't belong? Can you spot it? You got it! Awesome! Can you tell which animal is the odd one? Exactly! Great work! Can you guess this animal? A duck. B, a dog. C, a kitten. A duck. Let's see if you can get this one. Can you guess the odd animal out? Correct! Well done! Spot the animal that's different. Nice job! Spot on! Can you spot the odd starfish? Correct! Well done! Which animal doesn't fit in? You got it! Awesome! Can you guess this animal? A rabbit. B, a ferret. C, a kangaroo. A rabbit. Can you identify the odd fish? Exactly! Great work! Which one of these is not like the others? Perfect! Keep going! You're almost there! This is the final level. Can you guess this last odd animal out? Yes, that's right. Can you guess this animal? A turtle. B, a snail. C, a lion. A turtle. Fantastic! You've mastered level 3. Thanks for playing with me. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome games with your buddy Opto Bot. See you next time.